Now I can see why I had trouble fucking stopping this, because where the fuck is the menu bar? Right? Like, it just disappears. I'm recording apparently right now.
Are you?
I hit record. Like, I hit record, or maybe I'm not. Nothing's working. Actually, no, wait, no, don't get rid of preview.
Go.
I don't know.
Go to view. QuickTime
Oh.
Player.
What? New screen recording. So I'm doing it right now.
No, don't quit it. Services. No. Oh gosh, I don't know. Help. Help. No, all the way over. Help. What the fuck?
QuickTime Player help. How to stop recording. Like, I struggled with it last time. I'm doing it again. Oh, I can put subtitles on this. Start dictation. Revert. A new open file. New file. New movie recording.
It should stay open the whole time, I guess.
Oh. Hi, everyone. My name's Mike. I hate my life. Let's see. This can stop. So that's easy. So, right?
Like, so, yeah, that's just recording you, though.
It's Mike.
That video quality is so bad.
It's Mike. It didn't even, like, record audio for the first 2 seconds. Don't save that shit. So that didn't... Obviously, just decided to not record.
This is audio recording.
It's not even, like, going away.
So, here we have the audio recording here.
That did...
Start it like this. Hang on.